Hello everyone and welcome to Majestically Explanation. Today we are going to understand the concept of personality. Personality. For understanding ourselves, we need to know about our personality type, but before knowing about our personality type, we need to know what personality all about is. What do you mean by personality? So, today we are going to discuss the topic personality, and in the next slide, personality. Why are some people quiet and passive while others are loud and aggressive? Are certain personality types better adapted than others for a certain job types? Before we can answer this question, we need to address a more basic one. What is personality? Now, if you know anything what is personality, then do comment it. When we talk of personality, we don't mean that a person has charm, a positive attitude towards life, or a smiling face. When physiologists talk for personality, they mean a dynamic concept describing the growth and development of a person, whole physiological system, rather than looking at parts of the person. Personality looks at some aggregate whole that is great that the sum of parts. Defining personality. The definition of personality we most frequently use was produced by Gordon Allport. He said personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those physio-physical systems that determine his unique adjustment of his environment. For our purpose, you should think of personality as the sum total of ways in which an individual reacts to and interact with others. We most often describe it in terms of the measurable traits. A person exhibits our personalities, shapes our behavior. So, if we want to better understand the behavior of someone in an organization, it helps we know something about his/her personality. A physiological test is a structured technique used to generate a carefully selected sample of behavior. This behavior sample is then used to make inferences about the physiological attributes of the people who have been tested. Tests may measure several aspects of a person, ranging from intelligence, ability, and interests to aspects of one's personality, such as self-esteem and emotional stability. Defining personality. A personality test measures those relatively enduring aspect of an individual which distinguish them from other peoples, making them unique at the same time. However, they permit a comparison between individual. A test is based on empirical research and theoretical background. Tests are valid, reliable, and standardized. They are characterized by uniformity, objective, and interpretability. They help draw up a comprehensive behavior profile of a person and warn management of one's strength and weakness, which can be successfully utilized for career development and under the discussion. Defining personality. Mainly, there are two ways in which personality is measured. First one, self-report survey. Second, observer rating survey. Which are completed by the individual are the most common way to measure personality. One concern with self-report survey, however, is that the individual might lie or practice impression management. That is, the person could fake good on the test to create a good impression. This is especially a concern when the survey is basis for employment. Another concern is accuracy. In other words, a perfectly good candidate could have just been in bad mood when the survey was taken. Second one, have been developed to provide an independent assessment of personality. Therefore, instead of an individual taking the survey, as in the case of self-report surveys, a cow corner could do ratings, sometimes with knowledge of the individual, sometimes not. Research suggests that observer ratings survey are a better predictor of survey on the job. From all of this, I hope you have understood the concept of personality. Today we have discussed what is personality, defining personality, definition of personality, and self-report surveys and observer rating surveys. In this video, we have understood the concept of personality. In our next video, we will be understanding the personality determinants, which is also a very important topic. Thanks for watching.